Division can be a very difficult concept for students to understand. Even though it's really just equal sharing, many students aren't comfortable with their multiples or their multiplication facts to be able to be comfortable with long division. For example, for the question 36 divided by 6, students might not know their facts well enough to know how many times 36 can be shared among 6 equal parts. So there's another form of division that students can use that's a little more user-friendly. So if, for example, they're not aware of how many times 6 goes into 36, however, they do know the double of 6 is 12, they can subtract the double of it, so they could do 36 minus 12, and then they know that is 2 times, so they can include that, and then do their subtraction. So 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2, and then again they know another double of 6 can fit in there, so another 2, which would give them 12. Do their subtraction, 2 and 1, and then they can see that one more double would fit into that. And then all they have to do is add up the number of times they got 6 in there. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 gives them 6, and then their answer is 6. This strategy also works when you're dividing larger numbers. So for example, 456 divided by 12 could be an intimidating question. But it's easier for students when they start with facts that they do know. So for example, if they know that 10 times 12 is 120. They can see 120 goes into 456. They also might know that 2 times 120 would be 240. So then they could do 456 minus 240. And then they just write what they multiplied at the side. So they do 240. And then that would be 12 times 10 times 2, or 20. And then again, they would add it up at the end. So they do their math. And they can see, oh, I can get another 10 in there. And now they can't get a 10 in here, so they need to again go back to math that they're comfortable with. So, and since 96 is what we have left, and it's a number that they're easily able to skip count 12 up to, they could do 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, and 96. Or if that's difficult for them, they can again go with a number they're more comfortable with, such as 12 times 2 is 24, or 12 times 5 is 60. So let's do 12 times 5 is 60. And then we show what we have left. And then finally, 12 times 3 is 36. And then they just add up the numbers that they put into the 456 to find out what 456 by 12 is divisible by. So 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 3 is 38.